Welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are on a POV drive in the morning, going to the gym for a chest day. Today it's gonna be a nice workout. I do have in mind all the exercises that I want to do, which I don't really know why this thing is doing this on my window. But it's annoying. It's getting annoying. My window is getting like stuff, which I thought saw like ice on my window, but there's no way for like having ice. I mean, I know it's getting pretty like chilly, but not cold, because we're not in winter still yet. We are actually on fall. But anyways, I'm not ready for the cold, not gonna lie. I am very comfortable with 60 degrees, sometimes 58, you know, 65, 70. 70s for me is perfect. Those degrees are nice, I'm not gonna lie. But then I know there's gonna be a time, let me actually see if I can, I know there's gonna be a time where it's gonna get into the point of 40 degrees, 30 degrees, and that's not gonna be cool, and I'm not ready for it. I'm pretty sure I'm not ready for that. I'm never ready. I'm always comfortable with 60, 70 degrees, you know. Even 80 is fine for me sometimes. I'm going on this one. Even 80 is fine for me sometimes, not gonna lie. But when it gets to the point where it's below 50 degrees, it's not cool. Because you gotta have like a coat, you have to have a sweater, you have to have nice socks, because if not, you're gonna get cold. And anyways, you're gonna get cold. Whichever the clothes you have, you're gonna get cold. But, you know, I mean, we gotta do it. I gotta do it. So yeah, today we're going to the gym in the morning. I realized that I have a lot of stuff going on in my life, so I don't want to leave the gym for the night after I drop off my girl, and that's kind of very uncomfortable. You know, it's very hard for me to go to the gym at that time. I don't have any energy, I don't have anything, so I just go to the gym and I'm like, you know, like just working out for working out. I'm not actually enjoying my workout, and I'm not doing it the right way. So I decided yesterday, I said, well, no, 2 days ago, I said, I'm going to go out in the morning. And what I'm gonna have to do is sacrifice one day of those days of the night and skip the gym and come in the morning. So that's what I did. I didn't go to the gym last night, and what I'm doing today is that actually I'm going to go ahead. What is the cop doing? Oh, I think the cop just want to take a left in here. I'm gonna give it pace. I don't know. So because it stopped right there. Okay, perfect. I thought he wanted some pace. I was gonna give it to him. Oh, pass. Sorry. So yeah, we're hitting chest today. Pretty, actually, pretty. How you say it? Excited, let's say, about this workout. I want to really pump my chest, so we'll see how it goes. Man, that engine is gone. That engine's gone. Not trying to go so fast today. I'm chill. I mean, I want to do some breakfast and stuff before we go to work, but I'm not into running a lot today. Not late or anything. I do have work at 10. There was a noise on my car, I think on the back. I don't know what was that, but I hope it's nothing bad. Which actually I have to take my car to the shop, but I'm not financially, I'm not able to do it right now. So which I hope my car is fine for another month or two, and then I will take it to the shop to do a oil change, inspection, check that everything's fine. If there's anything that needs to be fixed, the noise that the turbo has, because when I push gas a little bit hard, it does do this noise that is very annoying. It usually didn't do it. So, but now, like a couple months ago, it started to do it. Like 2 months, 3 months ago, it started to do it. And I can't take it right now because if there's anything to fix, I'm not gonna be able to fix it. And the reason is because I just got back from vacation. I paid my tuition, and there's a lot of more things going on. I invested a lot. Camera, this, there, I have a lot of payments, and it's crazy. When I say crazy, it's crazy. I have a lot of payments to make, and my credit card bills are crazy. I'm not paying interest though. I'm not like one of those that don't pay the full statement. I do pay the full statement. The only thing is right now, I don't know how I'm gonna do it though. I'm in the negatives, but I will fight. Oh shit. I will figure out something. Yeah, so we'll figure out something. So I can actually do that. So it's a nice day today. I want to work out efficiently today. I don't want to use my phone. I don't want to do anything. Just want to record, talk a little bit, and work out. I don't want to do anything else. I want to work out like for real. I haven't been working out for real in a while. I feel like I have been using the phone, just chill, doing nothing. Very, very lazy. Like, guys, I don't know how to explain it to you. I have been feeling so lazy, and I don't know if it's because my girl's here. Sometimes us men, when our girl, wife, they might get us, feed, they feed us, they do this, you have your connection with her, but then you get kind of lazy, kind of comfortable, you don't do anything, or you don't want to do anything. But it's up to me, not up to her. So, all right. There's a lot of people in the street going to work. Cigar at 7:30 in the morning. Oh my goodness, woman, that's crazy. 7:30 in the morning, you smoking a cigarette? What the fuck, bro? It's crazy. That's crazy. All right, 7:30. See what we got. See what we got on chest day. I think it's gonna be a pretty good workout. Not gonna lie. I think it's gonna be a pretty good workout today. So let's get to work. I don't think there's nobody there, and I hope the music is not loud. Like always, I hate when that music is loud. Oh, goodness gracious. It's so loud sometimes. All right, so let's get this going. See you guys in a minute. All right, workout is done. We are done with the workout. We are going home. Gotta make some breakfast to start the day, at least there's some pasta at home too that I'm gonna have for lunch today. Let me actually check my phone, see if there's any message. Oh shit, that was close. Phone is about to die. And damn, there's a couple of traffic. I have never seen this like this. All right, so let me check. All right, let me actually my bad. Come on, truck. Oh, that's a big ass truck. Damn. That was like a regular truck, but it's not.
All right, going home now. Feel pretty good. Feel pretty like way different than me working out in the night. You know, on the night, like very late, 11, 10 o'clock, it's crazy to me. It's crazy. So I decided to say, well, if I can't do this, I gotta come earlier. Like no matter what, I gotta wake up earlier. So I just want to sleep earlier, which it was late still, but it was way earlier than the past couple of days. Damn, I did it very bad in here. Not gonna lie. I just decided on the last second. Man, there's a bike that is going, like for real. It's going fast. Sorry, my bad, YouTube. I had a fart. Oof. Want to see if I can actually do breakfast and maybe edit these videos at the same time. Maybe I'm able to. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I will be able. If not, that's fine. I mean, I might be able to take. Actually, I might take my laptop to the office. Yeah, I might do that. I might just take the SD card and the things and just edit it on my Mac, my laptop, and just upload it. Where, you know, yeah, I'm gonna do that. I think it's way easier like that. I don't want to be running to anything. I hate being like I hate the rush. I hate being on the rush of, you know, doing something. You know, I like to take my time. I like to be, you know, my mind, my brain kind of chill on the way of, oh, I gotta submit this, I gotta do this, let me do that, let me do it now, let me do it 2 days before, 1 day before, you know. Like for example, when I'm going on a vacation, when I'm going on a trip, and the trip, let's say it is on a Friday, I like to be ready by Wednesday. Like that's the way I am. If the trip is on Friday, I just get the bag, like the luggage and the bags ready on Wednesday, and everything's ready on Wednesday. Then Thursday, I actually go ahead and finish all the little things, like let's say like your toothbrush, your toothpaste, you know, whatever, you know, little things that you're going to use even Friday. I started putting it, you know, and that's it. That's the way I am. I like to be ready 2 days, 1 day ago, before. Not like on the same day. Oh yeah, the trip is at 7 on the night. Let me get ready at 3 o'clock. There's a lot of people like that. Oh, let me get ready at 12. Or let me get ready in the morning. No, just do it before. And then if you have some type of emergency, some type of stuff that you gotta accomplish or whatever you have to do, you just do it. And then you're just ready to go. You just pack your bags and go. So that's the way I am. You know, I'm not like that in every single way, every single area of my life. For example, college is something that is really boring for me. I really don't like it. I really don't like to submit assignments, so that's something that I do on the last minute, like for real. That's the way I am. College, you know, sometimes I do 2 days, 3 days, a week ago before, but then sometimes I'm like, fuck it, I'm not into doing this. And then even if it means to submit it 1 minute before the timeline and do like a not good job, I just do it. Like for real. That's the way I am. I don't like college. Right now I'm in my senior year. I'm going to graduate with God's help on May of 2026, and I think after that I'll be fine. If I'm going to do like a master, like an MBA or something like that, I would do it, but I would do it on a different I would do it even in a different state. I might like go on a different place, environment to study. I don't know, like Virginia, North Carolina, whatever, but not different. Definitely not here. So South Carolina, I would definitely not do it here. Yeah, I would definitely just go ahead and go to another place, doing like an MBA, you know, like a business master or something like that helps me to get more money and to, you know, get paid more money. You know, I think I would do it if I have the money for it. If I start to make more money from, let's say, a job, I think, and I'm able to do it online, or like going and doing like a online, like a hybrid position, and I'm able to do it, I think I would do it. I think it's worth it because I know you will make more money from it and you will learn something from it. So, you know, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So, yeah. One of the things that I was looking into it is that on Portugal, there's a master, like usually Spain, Portugal, like countries like that in Europe. You can go ahead and do like masters like that, and it helps you a lot. You know, it's just you gotta have money. You gotta have money on it. You gotta have, you know, enough funds to be able to pay for it, to be able to maintain yourself. You know, cost of living is really expensive. You know, when you get to the point where you have to, like, a lot of people live with the parents and stuff, but when you get to the point where you have to pay your own rent, you have to pay your own groceries, you got to pay your own car insurance, your own phone bill, your own emergencies, your own, you know, power, Wi-Fi, health insurance, you know, stuff like that. When you have to pay for all that, you get to the point where it's like, damn, you know, you might be able to make shit on the middle. What is she doing, bro? I thought she was like right in the middle of the street. It's crazy. Yeah. She don't look right. She don't look like she's right from the head. Alright, see you guys. Let me get to work here on the breakfast, and then let's just chill for a minute. I actually gotta check my mail. See you guys.